Hello and welcome to the 16th video lecture of quantitative analysis for business decisions, module number 1, semester number 2. In today's video lecture, we are going to see how to construct a frequency distribution table of continuous data. So the problem goes like this. Construct a frequency distribution table for the following data. The data is given in the form of individual series, as you can see here. Total number of data, if you count all this which is there here, is 50. So 50 numbers are given. This is raw data. It is not arranged in any sequence as such, neither in ascending order nor in descending order. So there's no sequence. That is why it is raw data. So how to solve this? The first step in solving this, or to construct a frequency distribution table, is to find the range. So what is range? Range is always highest value minus lowest value. Okay, highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. So which is the highest value out of this? You have to calculate. The highest value out of this is 64. You can check it out. The lowest value out of this is 32. And the difference is 32. So highest value minus the lowest value is 32. That means the range of this given data entire thing is 32. Now there is one mathematical way of finding how many number of class intervals are required. Apply Sturge's rule. So number of class intervals k is equal to 1 plus 3.322 log of n. So this is a formula. 1 plus 3.322. This remains there every time in the formula. Log of n. So what is this capital N? Capital N is number of data, that is number of items in the data set. How many items are there in the data set? We have calculated that there are 50 items. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 tens are 50. Total 50 items are there in this data set. So n is equals to 50. Capital N is equals to 50. So what happens here is 1 plus 3.322 log of 50. So once you do that, 1 plus 3.322 log of 50 is 1.6990. How to find log, I have showed you in a separate video. Here I'll show you how I found out this log. Log of 50. So when I'm talking about log of 50, how many digits are there? Here there are 2 digits, that is 5 and 0. So definitely it will be 1 point something. Now I'm going to my statistics table, that is logarithm table, and the number there which is there is 50. I'll just show you this. This is log tables, and in this, if you see, the values which are there are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What I need value is 50. So corresponding to 50, if you see, the value here is 6990. So your total value is 1.6990. Why 1.6990? Because you have 2 digits here. Okay, if it was suppose 500 instead of 50, if it was 500 instead of 50, you had 3 digits, so this will become 2 point. If you have 3 digits here, say 5000, log of 5000, so 4 digits are there, then it becomes 3 point something. Understood? So how many digits are there here? 50. 2 digits are there, so it becomes 1 point. 500, 2 point. 5000, 3 point. So this way, how many digits are there you have to calculate. Subtract 1 from that, so that digit will come here. 1, in this case, 2 digits are there, so 1 point something. What is that something? You have to check in the logarithm tables corresponding to this digit, that is 50. Corresponding to 50, we have 6990. Okay, so this is how we have found out. Now the next thing is size of the class interval. The size of the class interval. So we know that now the answer for this is 6.64. Approximately it is equal to 7. So 7 class intervals will be there, that is 7 groups will be there. So we know that 50 items are to be distributed into 7 groups. So how we can do that? Total, that is range divided by number of class intervals. So 32 divided by 7, that is approximately equal to 5. It comes 4 point something. So you can approximate it to the next integer, that is 5. So number of class intervals that you are going to use here is 5. The size of each class, the size of each class is 5. Number of class intervals we have already found out, it is 7. Size of each class is 5. Okay, so let us see what is the minimum out of this. We know that the lowest number here is 32. We have found out this. So I can start the class from 30. Okay, a round number I'll take. So the classes will be like 30 to 35 because the size is 5. 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, and so on up till 60 to 65. See, so it will be like this. Okay, you can see that there are 7 intervals and the size of each interval is 5. Now you need to mark using tally. So how do you mark using tally? Okay, you have to see the table. Given values are to be seen. What is the values in the question? So let us see how to solve this using tally marks. The first one is 42. Okay, so where will it come? 42. It will come in this series 40 to 45. So what I'll do is I'll mark here 1. Okay, use pen. Though I'm using a pencil here, you have to use pen. The next one is 62. So where will 62 come? Okay, 62 will come here. There's not space here. Then the third one is 46. In the question you can check 46 will come here, 45 to 50. Then next one is 54. It comes in this. Next one is 41. It will come here. Next one is 37. 37 will come here, 32, 35. Then next one is 54. 54 will come between 50 and 55. Next one is 44. It will come here. Next one is 32. You can see here 32. 32 will come here. Next one is 45. 45. Now where will 45 come? 45 is here also as well as here also. I've already told that in statistics we are dealing with exclusive class intervals, that is less than class interval. So your reading of this class interval will be like that: 40 to less than 45. Less than 45 values will come here. 45 will not come here. So 45 to less than 50 will come here. So where will 45 come? 45 will definitely come in this section. This is very important concept that I wanted to tell you. Always remember that you have to draw less than tables. Then the next value is 47, 50, 58. Plot everything. So your value comes like this. Okay, after you do all the frequency distribution, now you have to count this. How many tally marks were there? Here 2. So write here as 2. Here you have how much? 5 plus 1, that is 6. We are doing a bundle of 5 each. Here each bundle is of 5. Okay, so 5, it becomes easier for counting. How do you write 1, 2, 3, 4? Then the fifth one is the oblique mark, that is the cancellation kind of a thing. So by doing this, whenever if you have suppose 100, 200 items, it becomes easier for you to count it very easily, because this is 5, 5, 10 plus 2, 12. So it becomes very quickly to calculate. 5, 10, 14, 6, 6, 3. So after doing, write total. The total you have to see 8, 20, 30, 40, 49. I'm getting it as 49. That means I have missed something because the total was 50. I'll just see where I have missed something. So after looking at the data, I found out that I have missed one more here. It was there one more. So this is how I have to change it. 4, and the total is now 50. It has to match that 50. So this is your frequency distribution which you are supposed to find out. With this we stop today. I hope you have understood this. If you have any difficulties, you can contact us.